Every day, people earn money and lose their future in the same breath. It's not a dramatic event, but a series of small, silent choices. Maybe it's grabbing a snack, upgrading a gadget, or choosing a more comfortable ride. Each decision feels harmless, justified by a quick thought like, I deserve this. But as the days pass, these tiny actions add up. By the end of the month, many find there's nothing left to build with, no savings, and no progress toward their goal. The loss is quiet, but it's real, shaping financial futures without anyone noticing. Most of us don't realize how these small habits impact our finances. Each snack, gadget, or ride feels like a reward, a way to make the day a little brighter. But when these moments become routine, they quietly drain resources. It's easy to overlook the cumulative effect because each choice is so minor, yet together they can empty the future. The pattern is subtle and the consequences are often invisible until it's too late. Recognizing these habits is the first step toward change. Real problem isn't always low income. It's timing, the constant battle between spending now and saving for later. Our brains are wired for instant gratification, a survival system from ancient times. Back then, if there was food, you ate it. If there was comfort, you took it. Waiting made no sense because tomorrow wasn't guaranteed. Today, this instinct still drives us, but it doesn't fit our modern financial reality. The struggle between immediate pleasure and future security is at the heart of financial stress. Brains evolved to prioritize immediate rewards. In the past, survival depended on acting quickly, eating when food was available, seeking comfort when possible. This instinct helped our ancestors, but today it creates financial pressure. We're constantly tempted to spend even when we know saving is important. The old survival system clashes with modern needs, making it hard to delay gratification. Understanding this instinct can help us make better choices. Every income becomes a bucket with hidden holes. Needs like rent and food are expected and planned for, but impulses, small repeated wants, quietly drain the rest. Each impulse feels insignificant, but together they create a leak that empties the future. It's not the big expenses that hurt most, it's the little ones that slip by unnoticed. These hidden holes are the reason many struggle to save, even when their income seems enough. We all plan for essentials, rent, groceries, bills, but it's the impulsive spending that catches us off guard. A coffee here, a quick online purchase there, a treat after a tough day. These moments feel justified, but they're rarely accounted for in budgets. Over time, they drain resources meant for future goals. Learning to distinguish between needs and wants is crucial for financial health. Individually, each impulse feels harmless. A snack, a ride, a gadget, none seem to threaten your financial future, but together they form a pattern that quietly empties your savings. The danger isn't obvious because the impact is slow and cumulative. By the time you notice, the damage is done. Recognizing the collective effect of small choices is key to breaking the cycle. Saving feels difficult because the brain rewards instant pleasure with dopamine, a quick hit of satisfaction. This reward fades fast, pushing you to repeat the cycle. Long-term rewards like saving or investing feel slow, invisible, and unrewarding at first. Most people quit before results appear, frustrated by the lack of immediate feedback. Understanding this cycle can help you stay motivated and committed to your goals. Dopamine is the brain's reward chemical. It gives a quick burst of satisfaction when you indulge in something pleasurable, like spending money on a treat. But this feeling fades quickly, leaving you wanting more. The cycle repeats, making it hard to resist temptation. Meanwhile, saving doesn't trigger the same immediate reward, so it feels less satisfying. Learning how dopamine works can help you manage impulses and build better habits. Long-term rewards like saving or investing are invisible at first. There's no immediate feedback, no quick satisfaction. It takes time for results to appear, and most people lose patience before they see progress. This invisibility makes saving feel unrewarding, even though it's essential for future security. Building patience and understanding the value of delayed gratification can help you stay on track. Most people quit saving before results appear. The lack of immediate reward makes it hard to stay motivated. Without visible progress, it's easy to fall back into old habits. But the truth is, every small step counts. Consistency is key, even when the rewards aren't obvious. Staying committed through the slow phase is what separates success from failure. Wealth is not just about how much you earn, it's about how long your money stays with you. Money that is constantly spent never gets the chance to grow, compound, or multiply. The focus should be on retention, not just accumulation. Understanding this difference can change your approach to finances and help you build lasting wealth. Lifespan of your money determines your financial health. If money stays with you longer, it has time to grow through saving and investing. Constant spending shortens its lifespan, preventing growth. The goal is to extend the time your money remains in your possession, giving it the opportunity to multiply. This shift in mindset is crucial for building wealth. Money needs time to grow, compound, and multiply. Saving and investing are the tools that make this possible. When money is spent immediately, it loses the chance to benefit from these processes. Compounding is powerful, but it requires patience and discipline. The longer you let your money work for you, the greater the rewards. Instant gratification doesn't look dangerous. It feels normal, even expected. But over time, it quietly decides financial outcomes. The pattern is hidden, but its impact is real. Recognizing this pattern is the first step toward change. By understanding how instant gratification shapes your finances, you can start making choices that support your future. Instant gratification feels normal because everyone does it. It's part of daily life, woven into routines and habits, but its danger lies in its subtlety. The impact builds slowly, unnoticed until it's too late. By the time you realize, your financial future may already be compromised. Awareness is the key to breaking the cycle. Financial outcomes are shaped by quiet decisions. The small, everyday choices matter more than big, dramatic ones. Each time you choose comfort over discipline, you move further from your goals. The process is silent, but the results are loud. Paying attention to these decisions can help you take control of your financial future. Your future is either funded by the discipline of your choices today or drained by the comfort of your impulses. Discipline means making choices that support long-term goals even when it's hard. Comfort is tempting, but it often leads to regret. Balancing these forces is the challenge of financial success. Every choice you make shapes your financial future. The impact isn't always immediate, but it's always real. Small decisions accumulate, creating patterns that determine outcomes. By focusing on discipline and delaying gratification, you can build a future that's secure and prosperous. Discipline is the foundation of financial success. It means saying no to impulses and yes to long-term rewards. Building wealth requires patience, consistency, and a willingness to delay gratification. Each disciplined choice adds to your future, creating a strong base for growth. Comfort has a cost. Each time you indulge in an impulse, you pay with your future. The price isn't obvious, but it's real. Over time, comfort drains resources meant for growth. Recognizing this cost can help you make better choices and protect your financial goals. Controlling impulses is a skill that can be learned. It starts with awareness, recognizing when you're tempted to spend. Next, it's about creating strategies to delay gratification. Simple actions like pausing before a purchase or setting spending limits can make a big difference. Over time, impulse control becomes a habit that supports your financial health. Changing spending habits requires practical strategies. Start by tracking your expenses and identifying patterns. Set clear goals for saving and investing. Use reminders and accountability to stay on track. Small changes repeated consistently can transform your financial future. The key is to make change manageable and sustainable. Tracking expenses is a powerful tool for awareness. It reveals where your money goes and highlights hidden leaks. Use apps, spreadsheets, or simple lists to record every purchase. Reviewing your spending helps you spot patterns and make informed decisions. Awareness is the first step toward control. Setting clear financial goals gives direction and motivation. Decide what you want to achieve: saving for a home, building an emergency fund, or investing for retirement. Break goals into manageable steps and track progress. Goals turn discipline into action and make the future feel real. Accountability helps you stay committed to your goals. Share your plans with a friend, join a group, or use reminders to keep yourself on track. Accountability turns intentions into actions and helps you overcome setbacks. It's a powerful tool for building discipline and achieving financial success. Small changes repeated consistently lead to big results. Start with simple actions: skip a treat, delay a purchase, save a little extra. Over time, these habits build momentum and transform your finances. The process is gradual, but the impact is lasting. Consistency is more important than perfection. Change is easier when it's manageable. Set realistic goals and celebrate small wins. Use reminders and routines to reinforce new habits. Don't aim for perfection, focus on progress. Making change sustainable ensures you stay committed and see results over time. Delayed gratification is the secret to financial success. It means waiting for rewards even when it's hard. The ability to delay pleasure builds discipline and strengthens your future. Practice patience and remind yourself of your goals. Over time, delayed gratification becomes easier and more rewarding. Patience is a powerful asset. It allows your money to grow, your habits to strengthen, and your goals to become reality. The rewards of patience aren't immediate, but they're worth the wait. Each time you choose patience over impulse, you invest in your future. Building good financial habits takes time and effort. Start small and repeat actions consistently. Habits are formed through repetition and reinforcement. Over time, they become automatic, making discipline easier. Focus on building habits that support your goals and protect your future. Discipline is reinforced through practice and rewards. Celebrate your progress and acknowledge your achievements. Use positive reinforcement to strengthen habits. Over time, discipline becomes easier and more natural. The more you practice, the stronger your financial foundation becomes. Rewarding progress keeps you motivated. Set milestones and celebrate when you reach them. Rewards don't have to be expensive, simple acknowledgments work. Recognizing your achievements builds confidence and encourages continued effort. Progress is the fuel for lasting change. As you see progress, your confidence grows. Each success reinforces your belief in your ability to manage money. Confidence makes discipline easier and helps you stay committed to your goals. The journey is challenging, but confidence makes it possible. Commitment is the glue that holds your financial plan together. Stay focused on your goals even when it's hard. Remind yourself why you started and what you hope to achieve. Commitment turns discipline into action and makes progress possible. Setbacks are part of the journey. Everyone faces challenges and makes mistakes. The key is to learn from setbacks and keep moving forward. Don't let temporary failures derail your progress. Use setbacks as opportunities to grow and strengthen your discipline. Mistakes are valuable lessons. Each one teaches you something about your habits and choices. Reflect on mistakes and use them to improve. Learning from errors builds resilience and helps you avoid repeating them. Mistakes are stepping stones to success. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks. It's built through experience and learning. The more resilient you become, the easier it is to stay committed to your goals. Resilience turns challenges into opportunities and keeps you moving forward. Challenges are opportunities in disguise. Each one offers a chance to learn, grow, and improve. Facing challenges builds strength and confidence. Embrace difficulties as part of the journey and use them to fuel your progress. Discipline is strengthened through practice and perseverance. Each time you resist an impulse, you build your ability to delay gratification. Over time, discipline becomes a habit that supports your financial goals. The more you practice, the stronger you become. Habit formation is a process. Start with small actions and repeat them consistently. Use reminders and rewards to reinforce habits. Over time, habits become automatic, making discipline easier. Focus on building habits that support your financial goals. Automatic discipline means making good choices without thinking. Habits make discipline effortless. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Automatic discipline protects your future and helps you achieve your goals. Protecting your future requires discipline, patience, and resilience. Each choice you make today shapes your tomorrow. By focusing on long-term rewards and delaying gratification, you build a future that's secure and prosperous. The journey is challenging, but the rewards are worth it. A secure and prosperous future is built on discipline and delayed gratification. Each small choice adds up, creating a foundation for growth. By staying committed and focused, you can achieve your financial goals and enjoy lasting success. Summary: financial success is shaped by small, silent choices. Instant gratification feels normal, but it quietly drains your future. Discipline, patience, and resilience are the keys to building wealth. By focusing on long-term rewards and making consistent, positive choices, you can protect your future and achieve lasting prosperity. Reflect on your habits, commit to change, and start building a future that's truly yours.